Hey there! So, we've got a bit of a problem on our hands. Picture this, your terminal or iTerm2 just isn't behaving as expected. You fire up the app, all set to go with your trusty shell at opthome brew bin bash, but suddenly none of your initialization files like .bashrc, .profile and .bash_profile are being sourced. Chaos, right? Even though the app is configured to run opthome brew bash l as a login shell, the magic just isn't happening. Manually running the shell each time is getting old real quick. What's going on here? Now for the solution. Here's the deal with your setup. Only .bash_profile should be sourced. Remember, .profile takes a backseat if .bash_profile exists, and .bashrc stays quiet if the shell is a login shell. Here's a tip. Create a separate file, let's call it .bash_common, for all those configuration settings that need to apply to both login and non-login shells. Then, simply source this file from .bash_profile and .bashrc. Problem solved. In a nutshell, the key here is organizing your configuration settings efficiently. By splitting them into a common file and making sure they are sourced from the right places, you can avoid the hassle of manual intervention every time you start a new shell session. So go ahead, tweak your setup a bit, and enjoy a smoother terminal or iTerm2 experience. And with that, it's a wrap. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and drop a comment below with your favorite shell pun. Stay geeky, folks!